So we just arrived in Sandal's, Halcyon, St Lucia. Man, this looks like it's gonna be a great place. Let's go have a look. So this is the main entrance to the resort. Right here you have the gift shop. And there's the main lobby. So the main lobby is just over here. And just outside of the main lobby, right here is the medical center where you can come see the nurse. You pay up front, and then if you have insurance at home, it'll cover when you get back. This is Bayside's Buffet. Beautiful spot for breakfast. So this is the location of the Beach Bistro. What a great place to have lunch. Two of the resorts on St Lucia, the Grand and La Toc. You can catch the bus, it'll take you to both locations. Runs from the morning till late evening. So there's 13 different categories when booking Halcyon. You can go anywhere from just your normal basic room, which is beautiful, all the way up to a butler suite. So unlike some sandals that have a dedicated wedding chapel, here at Halcyon they have a beautiful little rendezvous. Great location right by the ocean. Here's the photo shop. This leads to the main lobby. You can book your spa treatments here, you can book tours from Island Routes, or you can rebook and come back. Loyalty desk is right over there. So unlike most resorts that you go to and they have a hot tub, they're not hot. These ones are actually hot. So this is the lagoon pool. And right across this bridge is the location of the quiet pool. There's a hot tub here. There's a bar. The only issue is it's not that quiet because just beyond that tree line is one of the busiest roads. So there's a lot of morning traffic. So this is the lagoon pool. They claim it's the longest in the Caribbean. So let's take a walk and I'll show you how long it really is. That is a long pool. Very lush, so tropical. It's such a beautiful location. So maybe the claim is correct. It could be the longest in the Caribbean. It's a long swing, I'll tell you that. This is the main pool. Always something going on here. Swim up bar over there. Right behind me, pool tables. Good size beach here in St Lucia. You can walk as far as you can all the way down to that point. So this is the far end of our walk. Sandals, it's right over there. You can see Kelly's restaurant. It's a nice walk. You don't see any other guests doing this. Pretty calm. There's a few locals in the water, but feels very safe. Love the weather station. Today, coconut's moving. It's windy.
are leaving us, water comes to our eyes. Now that you are leaving us, water comes to our eyes. So come back, my friends, come back soon. Don't leave us there to cry. Come back, my friends, come back soon. Don't leave us there to cry. Another time. Don't leave us there to cry. Don't leave us there to cry.
So that was our look at Sandal's Halcyon in St Lucia. Man, what a beautiful place. All of the Sandals we've been to, every one of them has been incredible. But this one just has something special to it. It's like coming back to friends. Everyone was so genuine. Thanks very much. I appreciate you stopping by. We'll see you on the next one.